The prefix un means not. It changes positive words into their negative opposites. Unhappy means not happy. Unable means not able. Unfair means not fair. This prefix helps create opposite meanings from familiar words. Happy becomes unhappy. Happy means feeling good and smiling. Unhappy means sad or not feeling good. Able becomes unable. Able means you can do something. Unable means you cannot do it. Fair becomes unfair. Fair means equal and just. Unfair means not equal or not just. Kind becomes unkind. Kind means nice and helpful to others. Unkind means not nice, mean, or hurtful. Lucky becomes unlucky. Lucky means good things happen by chance. Unlucky means bad things happen by chance. Safe becomes unsafe. Safe means protected from danger. Unsafe means dangerous or not protected. Real becomes unreal. Real means true or actually exists. Unreal means not true or imaginary. Known becomes unknown. Known means people know about it. Unknown means nobody knows about it. Clear becomes unclear. Clear means easy to understand. Unclear means hard to understand or confusing. Tidy becomes untidy. Tidy means neat and organized. Untidy means messy and not organized. Usual becomes unusual. Usual means normal and common. Unusual means strange and not common. Natural becomes unnatural. Natural means normal for nature. Unnatural means strange or not normal. Certain becomes uncertain. Certain means completely sure. Uncertain means not sure or doubtful. Comfortable becomes uncomfortable. Comfortable means feeling good and relaxed. Uncomfortable means feeling bad or awkward. Employed becomes unemployed. Employed means having a job. Unemployed means without a job. Popular becomes unpopular. Popular means many people like you. Unpopular means few people like you. Welcome becomes unwelcome. Welcome means you are happy to see someone. Unwelcome means you do not want someone there. Necessary becomes unnecessary. Necessary means you need it. Unnecessary means you do not need it. Un always means not. It reverses the meaning of the base word. Happy becomes unhappy. The opposite meaning is created by adding un at the beginning. Practice these words every day to remember them easily.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.